from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing a mystery box. So this is not a subscription box. Let me just get into that. This box is intended for people that maybe want to enhance their own collection, but primarily for people that may want to start their own online, like boutique or eBay or Poshmark seller account. This is actually my girlfriend's business, so shout out to her. I will link to her below. These boxes are clothing mystery boxes. What you get in each box is 5 pieces. So there's 1 pair of shoes and then 4 clothing items. You cannot pick the size of the shoes. Everything is 7. So that's one of the things that makes this kind of geared more towards people that want to start their own boutique. Boxes are $50 and plus shipping. So I'm going to open this up. I kind of have an idea of what's in here, but we're going to open it up together. And then this is going to be like any of my other try on videos where we're going to put a, and then there's me and all the clothes. All right. So open this baby. So I cut it open and then I close it back up and then I put it where the tape goes. So it looks like this when you open it up. And there's the Wise Owl Living. If I didn't say that, this is the Wise Owl Living mystery box. And her card's here, and then you open it up and there are your items. So we're just gonna go in and open it up. All right. You guys like my new shirt? Isn't that cute? All right. So first, ooh, we have a sweater. So this is from a brand called Venti 6. And it has kind of, I think you can wear this, it has a tag here, but I'm guessing you could probably reverse this as well. So this would be your front, technically. And then your back has this really cool crisscross pattern. The material is really soft, but it's almost like that, I don't know, like some sort of, I don't know, like a linen? Is that what I want to say? I don't think that's what I want to say. But I love this color. It's a very earthy color. And I can't wait to try it on. Oh, that's exciting. I like that. All right. Next, I'll put that right there, is ooh. So this is from a brand called The Story. This is a bomber jacket. Look at this. I love it. Look at the quilting. Super cool. I might actually wear this tonight, just being clear. I'm going to put it on and wear it the rest of the video because it makes me feel cool. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Not that tag, though. You can just get out of here, fool. All right. Keeping it moving. Keeping it moving. Next up is something with a, what kind of plaid is this called? Lumberjack plaid? All right. Ooh, this is from a brand called Jeanette. Ooh, that's cute. So it's a little wrap dress, right? And the material is very, it's stretchy, but it's not like that really soft. It's more like a sturdy. Do you know what I mean? Like it won't look wrinkly. And then the front here, you have like kind of scoops around and hugs your bobs. And then it is belted, but the belt is like, no, it does come off. I thought it was built in. So that's super pretty. I can't wait to see it on. I'm curious how it's going to look. I'm getting hot now. I need to take off this jacket. Oh, what if I broke it? I always think like, gosh, in one of these try-ons, I'm going to rip something. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right. Our final clothing item looks like, it actually looks like linen. Ooh, it feels like linen too. So this is, ooh, it's a dress. You guys know I like dresses. I do love dresses. And I love every opportunity I get to wear them. This is from a brand called First Love. It's going to be kind of hard to show you guys because it's long. I would say this is like floor length. Great for spring. Spring is coming if you're trying to upgrade your wardrobe. So there's that. And then it's really long, but it has like the slice there. And it has these cool layers here. I think this is cool. will surf Facebook, and occasionally I'll see like these ads for kind of like what I would call 18th century clothing, like really cool, like almost like Quaker. Does that make sense to you guys? And I'm like, those are really cool. I would totally rock that. I don't get into the whole bohemian, the big floppy hat with the big square dress. I can't, like, I'm like, no, that's not. But that stuff, that hits me somewhere, and I think it's great. This kind of fits into that kind of a genre, so I love it. Now we're gonna do the shoes, and these are from Cupid. Q, accent on the Q. Ooh, so these are kind of like, what is this style called? It's kind of like a booty, but it's open here. They look super comfortable. These will be great for my school board. I told you guys I go to do the school board deal. So these are like kind of professional, but they're still a little bit casual. I love the color. The earth tone is perfect, especially now that spring's coming. I would not wear these out in the snow that we have right now, but totally very cool. I think she said the shoes are valued at somewhere between $30 and $40 each. And then each of the pieces of clothing is valued between $15 and $20. So you're definitely making your money back. So for your $50 spend, you're getting a pair of shoes. And these are all boutique brands. You're getting, you know, your 4 items of clothing in my box. Now they're mystery boxes, so you're not going to get exactly what I get, but that's how, you know, this kind of stuff works. I got this really cool dress, which I can't wait to try on. My really cool jacket. I love this. I think it's so cool. My 13-year-old's going to try to steal it. I'll tell you that right now. It's her style. There's this cool wrap dress. And finally, that really cool, what is this? It's like a knit. What is the knit called? I can't think of it because, you know, I just can't. Sweater. So I'm going to try everything on and show you guys right here.